Jollibee, one of the strongest na Jollibee. Tingnan natin dito here. So yung sa left side, makita nyo may Tanduay, oh. Okay, this is Jensen on the rush hour, 5 o'clock, past 5 o'clock. Another traffic light. Okay, approaching yung Notre Dame University on the left side, yung lampas ng traffic light natin. It's Notre Dame University. Dami na rin sasakyan, no, ng city. Yung right side, we just passed yung top 7 mark. Kung sarado na yung mga malls, so di ba ayaw mo na punta ng mall, kaya kami nag-grocery. Okay, so expect yung volume, hindi ito normal for city, yung Jensen. Volume ng traffic here. So again, yung left side natin is the Notre Dame, no? Mga nakamotor, saan tayo dito? Actually, mga tricycle bawal sa highway, but we have anemic enforcement, no, dito sa city, but tolerated lang muna. Tayo pasok. Okay, another traffic light. Okay, here